In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yahoo Mail reading panel. If your inbox feels cramped or you want to preview messages side by side, adjusting the reading panel, also called the message layout, can make a huge difference in how quickly you get through email. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. If you aren't already signed in, click sign in at the top right and enter your account details to access your mailbox. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the mail or envelope icon and click it to open Yahoo Mail. Inside your inbox, head to the far right and select the settings gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel. Scroll through this panel until you see the option labeled More Settings, then click it to open the full settings page with all available options. On the left side of the full settings page, choose Appearance. This is where Yahoo Mail lets you personalize how your inbox looks and behaves. In the Appearance section, find the area called Message Layout. Here you'll see three choices: List, Right, and Bottom. List gives you a clean list of messages without a preview pane. It's ideal if you prefer maximum space for your message list and don't need to peek at content until you open a message. Right places the reading panel on the right side of your screen next to your message list, which is great for wide monitors and multitasking. Bottom puts the reading panel beneath your message list, stacking things vertically, which can feel natural on smaller screens or when you want a taller view of email content. Click the layout you prefer, and Yahoo Mail will apply the change immediately. There's nothing extra to save. If you like to triage emails quickly, try Right. If you want fewer distractions or the most compact list, choose List. If you read long messages or you're on a laptop with limited width, Bottom can be a comfortable middle ground. A few quick tips: if you don't see the preview pane after choosing Right or Bottom, try widening your browser window since very narrow windows can hide the split view. You can switch layouts anytime using these same steps, so feel free to test each one and see which fits your workflow best. And that's it. You've updated the Yahoo Mail reading panel and tuned your inbox to match the way you work.